I'm Anan Sikamahn and I'm here to explain the answer to quiz number 2. The initial kinetic energy spread of the sample molecule is the key factor that limits the resolution of the single focusing mass spectrometer. However, the spread in a single focusing mass spectrometer can be minimized or reduced by accelerating the sample through an electrostatic analyzer in double focusing mass spectrometer. When the spread is reduced, the range of kinetic energy of ions passing through the magnetic sector analyzer is more limited. Therefore, the result will show a narrower peak comparing to the single focusing instrument. Number 2. Quadruple contains 4 parallel metal cylindrical rods that serve as electrodes, and each pair of rods are connected to variable DC voltage and radio frequency AC voltage of opposite polarity. When the molecule passes through the mass filter, the ions are accelerated into the space between the rods, in which the ions will also oscillate in the x and y direction. The heavy ions will be the least influenced by RF component, and on the opposite hand, light ions will be most influenced by RF component. In addition, if the ion with certain M and C oscillate with the amplitude less than R0, will pass through the quadruple and into the detector. These ions stay on stable path, while an amplitude greater than R0 will hit the rods and will be removed. These ions are on unstable path. Number 3. This is the MALDI spectra of substance P in CHCA comparing mass resolution. As you can see, the top graph is a linear time of flight mass spectrometer, and on the lower graph is a reflecting time of flight mass spectrometer.